Thanks. Okay, so it goes in front first. Turn it over. Thank you. And then, pardon my shaky hands, this is where people usually notice. Oops. But I'll get it. There. And now I want to go this one. Oh, I had it and didn't know it. There we go. Okay, so now it's on the wire. I'll take it from you. We'll just set it down here. Now we've got you'll want to adjust. I still have another job for you here. Just hang on just a second. Let me get this under the hook.
It's a CO2 card, right?
I'm going to need you to hold on to this wire. For right now, you don't have to pull it real tight. Just hang on to it. Because I have to adjust. I have to adjust these so your car will fit in it. Okay, there, that one's adjusted. Okay, this one has to come up higher. There, that one's adjusted. See, then what I'll do is I'll hold this down. So go ahead and pull your wires tight. Okay. You know what? Okay, that's good. That's good. Now go ahead and pull it tight. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Almost there. See, now that allows me to arrange this so your cars will go straight. Okay. I think we're good to go. Who would you like to push the button? You ready? I'll go ahead and hit it. Are you ready to race?
Go, 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 go.
3, 2, 1, fire. Yours got there first, but we'll see if it got there without damage. Just walk them back.
It broke. Didn't make it without damage.
Holy moly. Whoa, sorry.
It totally wasn't no damage.
It split the front of it.
Dang.
It went right there.
What a bummer. Wait, where'd you say it hit?
It hit right here and split off. The front of it. There's a big hole in the front.
Wow.
We'll just put it over there. I just got to.
They knocked in the wall other than the
I'm gonna take this out.
They collided.
Mm-hmm.
How cold that is.